what's up guys? Today I'm Wicked Wolf and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ninja star. Let's get started. You can do lots of stuff with it. You could look up how to make a fidget spinner, a paper fidget spinner without bearings. Oh gosh. Or something like that. You could do that, or you could just use it as a normal ninja star. So, yeah. So all you'll be needing today is 2 pieces of paper, a table, and some scissors. So just do that, and you're ready to go. You also need eyes, okay? So, I'm hoping everyone knows how to get this corner down to this edge. Do it really smoothly. If it doesn't turn out that good, like if it's like down there, that's okay. It won't hurt anybody. So you want to cut this rectangle off this page. We open it up and we should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to fold this edge down to this edge, and this corner to that corner, this corner to that corner. So just do that. Okay. Now we want to make it so it is like that, okay? And so this, so it's going diagonal into me. Now we're going to do that exact same thing with a different sheet of paper. So just do this. And again, cut off our rectangle, so all we have is our square. And I hope you remembered, we don't need these, we put these aside. So now we open it up and make it so it's similar, except it's coming from there into me, and this one should be coming from there into me. So now we're going to do fold this edge to this edge, this corner to that corner, this corner to that corner, as so. And make sure it's all good, like that. Now we should have something that looks like this, okay? Now we're going to fold this edge to this middle line, okay? This is quite hard, okay? This isn't, but it gets harder. Okay? And fold that edge into here. So now we should have something that looks like that. And here, we should have a visible diagonal line. And we do the exact same on the other side, okay? Just like that. Now, we should have 2 diagonal lines, if you can see. 1 across there and 1 across there. You should be able to see them. At least on your sheet you should. Maybe that'll help you see them. So they're just there, okay? And now we're going to fold the bottom to the top. Exact same on the other piece of paper. Now we're going to fold it across. And don't mix up the orders. Don't flip it around and swap this and that. Don't flip it around. Don't do any of that, okay? Now we want to open it back up. Do the exact same on the other side. That's what I'm doing. Open it back up. Now we should have 2 diagonal lines there and there, okay? Now, where the diagonal lines are, okay, on this sheet of paper, it's here. We want to fold that up to the middle line, alright? And do the same on the other side, except fold it down. We should have something that looks like that now. And where the diagonal line is, fold up. And this side, fold down, as I'm doing. Now I should have something that looks like this. But we want to flip it around, okay? So now it should look like that. Cool. Now we want to fold this corner to this corner, as I just did. And fold, and now fold this corner to this corner. Both of these. Oh no, sorry, we fold this corner to that corner. Sorry, hope I didn't get you confused. Now we should have something that looks like that. Now we fold here to here. And flatten it out. And fold here to here. And flatten it out. Now I should have something that looks like that. Okay? Should be an upside down house right here. Or it might be on the side, I'm not sure. But for me it's upside down. And now we want to fold it in this here, this corner, this corner. Okay? Just as I'm doing. And fold this corner to that corner. Easy peasy. Now we should have diamond. Exact same on the other side. Now we should have 2 diamonds that look like that. Okay? Alright, now we open them back up. Open them back up. And follow exactly what I do, okay? Want to pick it up. Flip this over. Turn it to the side. And place it on. Just like that. Okay? This may get a little confusing. Now I want to fold here. Into here. Just like what I'm doing. And do the same. Fold here into here. Now I should have something that looks like this. Flip it over and put it down. Now we fold here into here. Okay? Now we fold here, this corner, into this pocket. It's a little thin, so you need to squeeze it in, okay guys? And if that doesn't work, like it didn't work for me, put it under, okay? Oh no, wait. Move that over a bit and put it in the socket we originally went to do it. Flatten it down turn it over, flatten it down. Okay? Now all we have is a ninja star. Okay, should look like this on one side, and that on one side. So it should be across here, and then almost across there. Okay. So, hope you enjoyed my video. I really did. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped you make your ninja star. And as I said before, you can top up that if you want to make fidget spinner. It's a little hard, so just get the fidget spinner that we just made and continue on from that video and do what else. You can do lots of other stuff. If I had the colors, I might even try to make an infinity cube and show that on you on video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Now you should have a ninja star, and yep, there you go. See ya.